Okay, good morning you guys. So the next step in our learning is moving away from the natural world, drawing our landscapes and moving into the man-made world. And so our target by the end of this project is to be creating our own cityscape. And so before we start putting all those buildings together, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to start by drawing individual aspects of buildings. So the first step, the first challenge for you today is to create, let's say, a minimum of five to 10 different kinds of windows. So let us start by looking at the very basic anatomy of a window, and this is something I would like to see in every one of your window designs. It must have the pane, which is the glass or something in the window that divides the outside and the inside. It must have a sill, which is the bottom part of the window, and it must have the casing which runs around the window itself, how the window fits into the wall of your building. Optional is to have the mullion, which is the dividing pieces of material throughout the window. So what is important in terms of designing our windows is an understanding of different shape. I would like to see you incorporate geometric shapes and also organic shapes. So those colors, those are shapes that are being created with cool colors, anything that has a rectangle, star, circle, anything that's made with a tool, those are our geometric shapes. And then we have on the right side in our warmer colors are our organic shapes or our freeform shapes. So anything that has been created without a tool necessarily. So as you design your windows, I would like to see a combination of both geometric and organic shapes. So now we're just going to go through how I created my windows. I just started with a very basic shape, got the mullion, the pane, and then I went back and started drawing the casing when I realized that was missing. I'm just playing with geometric shapes here, first of all. Horizontal lines and vertical lines. And you can see I did the basic shapes at first, and then as I went on, I got a little bit more creative. That's why we do these exercises. So you get the boring basic stuff out of the way first of all, and then you start to really get creative and think about different ways in which you can solve this problem. Started trying to include some wavy lines, some more kind of organic forms into my geometric shapes. Taking inspiration from nature, from fruit, and then just going completely freeform after that. This one was inspired by a flower that I saw on a walk. It's really important as an artist and as a designer to take inspiration from the world around us. Trying like a spider in that apple shape, had like a spider web, cracked window design. And then I was just trying to make like a splat window. So then just to review, your challenge is to create 5 to 10 window designs combining geometric and organic shapes. And each of your designs must include the casing, the window pane, and the window sill, and optionally the mullions. Really looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Be creative with it, have some fun with it. See you.